2 into 180.
So angle sum of a decagon is, decagon we know that 10-sided polygon. Angle sum of a decagon is 10 minus 2 into 180. Okay, to get the angle sum of any polygon, we have to find out how many sides for that polygon. Then from the number of sides, you subtract 2 into 180 will give the angle sum of that polygon. Okay. Okay, I will show you. See, we found a triangle has 180 degree and a quadrilateral has 360 degree. A pentagon has 540 degree and a hexagon has 720 degree. And we have done some problems on that also. Okay. Now, I think this problem we have done, isn't it? So next question is find the value of x. Here, what is the shape of this figure? The shape. What's the name of the shape?
Quadrilateral.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not a quadrilateral.
Pentagon.
Yes, it is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. So it is a pentagon. And what is given? Here some angles are given. This angle is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. We will write it as A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Angle A is given as 30 degree. And angle B and angle E are x. They are equal. Angle B and angle E are x. They are equal. And also given two external angles. Also given two external angles. This angle and this angle. One is 60 degree, other one is 70 degree. Question is find the value of x. All of you copy this figure in your book. Copy it. Take your pen and paper, book and write. Question, find the value of x. Find the value of x. That is the question. Draw a neat figure of it. Pentagon A, B, C, D, E. Angle A is 30 degree and we have to find angle B and angle E. It is given that both are equal to x. And two external angles. External angle C and external angle D is given. External angle D is 60 degree and external angle C is 70 degree. Did you all copy this figure? Hello? Did you copy?
Yes,
okay. Shall I start? Hello?
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Midun, did you write? Did you copy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now listen, all of you. Listen carefully. Two external angles are given. So, what is the sum of this angle C and this external angle C? Sum of angle C and external angle C. What is the sum of those two angles? Sum of these two angles, angle C and 70
degree.
Because it is a
Linear pair.
Linear pair. Good, good. It's a linear pair. So we know that angle C plus 70 degree equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. option is linear pair. Can you see this? I will change the color of the pen. Okay. And what about angle D and 60 degree? Angle D.
Linear pair.
That
A
also
linear
linear pair.
also.
From here we will get angle C. Angle C equal to 180
180 minus 70.
180 degree minus
Minus
70. How much it is?
110.
110 degree, correct. Similarly, we will find angle D plus angle 60 degree equal to 180. Angle D plus 60 degree equal to 180. Same reason, linear pair. Linear pair. So angle D equal to 180 minus 60. How much it is?
120 degree.
120 degree. So we got this is 110 and this is 120 degree. Okay. Now we have to find x. Since it is a pentagon, we know that sum of angles of pentagon is how much?
180.
Sum of angles of
540.
yes, angles of pentagon. Pentagon. Before that, we have tried A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. A, B, C, D is a pentagon. So sum of angles of a pentagon is how much?
540.
540.
degree. Correct. 540 degree. So 30 plus x plus 110 plus 120 will give 540. Okay, we will write 30 plus 110 plus 120 plus x equal to 540. How much this? Sum of 30 plus 110 plus 120
And 260.
equal to
And 260.
okay, it is 260. 260 plus x is 2x
2x. 2x.
equal to 540. X plus x is 2x. So it is equal to 540. Okay. Now 2x equal to 540 minus
Minus
how much?
280. 280.
280. How much?
280.
280. Correct. 280. 280. So x equal to
140.
yes. X equal to no. Has happened here. I will rub it. 1 second. 1 second. Something has happened to the board. Okay. So 2x equal to so 1 second. Please wait. Some problem happened. Okay. Now 2x equal to 280. 2x equal to 280. 2x equal to 280. So x equal to 280 divided by 2 140 is 140. X equal to 280 divided by 2 equal to 140 degree. So the answer is x equal to 140 degree. Okay, all of you write. In between I explain you. Once again I will explain. Go here some confusions are there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so both the angles are 140 degree.
Yes, correct. Very good. Both the angles are 140. It is 2. Both the angles are 140 because given that they are both x, isn't it no?
Okay.
280 divided by 2, 140 degree. Both the angles are given. Both are x. See the notation also. This shows both are two lines for marking the angles. This shows that both the angles are equal. So both are x. Question is find the value of x. X equal to 140 degree. Did you all wrote? To write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Edwin, you wrote it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain once again. Given it is a pentagon. It is a pentagon and one angle 30 is given. And we have to find two more angles. Both are x. And two external angles are given. One is 70, other one is 60. So at C, external angle is 70. So for getting C, we will subtract 70 from 180 because there forms linear pair. And at the point D, we will subtract 60 from 180 because there also it forms a linear pair. So we got angle C as 110 and angle D as 120. Now, since it is a pentagon, we know that sum of angles of a pentagon is 540, correct? So, sum of all the angles of this pentagon equal to 540. So, 30 plus 110 plus 120, x plus x equal to 540 degree. And sum of these three angles are 260. X plus x is 2x equal to 540. So 2x equal to 540, 2x minus 540, 2x equal to 540 minus 260. So 2x equal to 280, x equal to 280 by 2, 140. Okay, all of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next question is find x plus y plus z. Okay, all of you draw it in your book. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find x plus y plus z. What is given? A triangle is given. We will name it as P Q R. Triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Two angles are given. Angle R is 90 degree. Gopi Krishna, did you copy it? Gopi Krishna? Jeevan? Did you draw this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now I will explain you. Two
It
angles.
is so small.
But the figure is in your book now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So angle R is given. How much angle R? Angle R equal to
90 degree.
90 degree. Given that angle R equal to 90 degree and angle P equal to
30
degree.
degree. Angle P equal to 30 degree. Yes, angle R is 90 and angle P equal to 30 degree. So we can find Q. How?
Ma'am, 90 plus 30.
90 plus 30 we can find, but how can we find Q? How can we
By
find?
180.
Yes, because triangle sum is 180 degree, that you know. So angle Q, we can write angle Q is equal to 180 minus 90
D.
plus
Plus
30.
30.
Correct. 180 minus 90 plus 30. Reason is angle sum property of triangle that you have to write in bracket. Angle sum property of angle sum property of
Of triangle.
triangle.
Triangles.
Angle sum property of triangle. Therefore, angle Q is equal to what? Angle Q is
180
equal to
minus
180 minus
180 minus
180
120.
minus 120. Correct. How much it
120.
is? 180 minus
60,
120?
60, 60.
Yes.
60 degree.
Angle Q equal to 60
60.
degree. Good. Angle Q is equal to 60 degree. So
60
you mark
degree.
in your book that 60 degree. Mark it in your book 60 degree. Okay. So now we got all the angles of triangle PQR. Okay. But our question is what? I will zoom it. Our
Find
question
x,
is
y
what?
plus z.
Our
X, Y, and
question
Z.
is we have to find out x plus y plus z. All these angles are what? All these angles are?
Exterior angle.
Yes,
Exterior
good,
angle.
good. Yes, they are the exterior angles of this triangle
Triangle.
PQR. Good, very good. They are the exterior angles of PQR. So we will find one by one. First, we will find angle X. Okay. Angle X equal to Michelle.
180
Yes, yes, 180
minus 90.
Minus
90.
90.
Minus 90. You have to write in bracket what is linear pair.
Linear pair.
Linear pair. Good. Linear pair.
90.
So it is
90
equal to
degree.
90
90 degree.
Good. Angle X equal to 90 degree. Next,
Angle Y.
Evelyn, we will find Y. Angle Y is equal to, Evelyn, how we will find Y? Evelyn? Yes.
I don't know.
Evelyn? How can we find angle Y? Where she went? Gino? How can we find angle Y?
Minus
Gino?
180 minus
Yes. 180 minus
90.
Y. Y. 180 minus
90.
90. How? How 90? What was that angle? Q. Q is
180 minus
180 minus how much angle?
60.
60. Yes, yes. This angle is 60. Did you mark it in your book? Angle 60. Angle Q is 60. Did you mark it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then 180 minus
60.
180
120.
is 120. Correct.
20.
120. Correct. Correct.
Angle Y is equal to
Okay.
120.
Okay, good. Angle Y equal to. Next, G1, how can we find Z? Same reason. Here we are using the same reason. If you are using the same reason, then again no need to write. Because the same reason in all the steps, we are using the same reason. Okay. So angle Z
180
equal
minus
to. Yes,
180
G1.
minus
180 minus
30.
good.
30.
180 minus 30. How much it is, G1?
150.
150. Good. 180 minus 30 is 150. Angle is Z equal to 150 degree. Now, what was our question?
Find
Question is what?
X plus Y plus Z.
Question is find
Ma'am.
X. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, add
Ma'am,
everything.
found.
Add.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, found.
Found. Okay. 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 Wait. Because others also want to do. So, question is X plus angle Y plus angle Z. Okay. X plus angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z. And second, you wait.
180 minus
350.
Our board has some problem. That's
but
1
9
second. Wait.
ये कண்டுപിടിക്കണ്ട
1 second. You wait. So I will write it again. So angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 90 plus, say 90 plus
90 plus
120 plus
120 plus
120 plus
150. Yes, 120
150.
plus 150. How much it is?
360.
360.
360 degree.
Okay, correct. 360 degree. Very good, correct. 360 degree. Okay, all of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
360 degree. Question is, once again I will explain this. Okay, our question is find x plus y plus z. A triangle is given and two of its angles are given, angle R and angle is P is given. We will find out angle Q using our triangle sum property. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180. From there we got angle Q equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now we found how much is x, y and z, because x, y and z all are x, y, z are
Linear pair.
Exterior angles.
they are exterior angles, and we know that there forms a linear pair. So x is 180 minus 90. It is 90. Y is 180 minus 60. 120. Z is 180 minus 30. 150. Finally, we found x plus y plus z. It is equal to
360.
360 degree. Okay. So one more question. Okay. Shall we do this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All of you draw this figure in your book. Draw neatly. It is a, what is this shape? It is a,
Ma'am, quadrilateral.
yes, it is a quadrilateral. We will name it. Which letters we will give?
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D. Okay, good. We will change the color of the pen. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And mark angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 80 degree, angle C is 120 degree. And all the external angles are given. X, Y, Z, W. External angles are named as X, Y, Z, W. Angle A is 60 degree. Angle B is 80 degree. And angle C is 120 degree. Okay? Did you draw?
Okay.
Can
Yes,
I minimize it? Can I minimize it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is a quadrilateral. So first you write ABCD is a quadrilateral. All of you write AB quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Krishnaveni, how many sides for a quadrilateral?
Ma'am, 4.
4 sides. And one more question, Krishnaveni. What is the sum of angles of a quadrilateral? Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is? Krishnaveni?
Ma'am, 360 degree.
Yes, 360 degree. We know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And how many angles for a quadrilateral, Krishnaveni? How many angles for a quadrilateral?
Ma'am, 4.
4 angles. Okay. And Krishnaveni, how many angles are given here? How many angles are given here?
4, ma'am.
4 angles are given. Measure of 4 angles are given.
No,
Here?
3.
3. Which are? Angle A equal to Krishnaveni, how much
60
it is?
degree.
60 degree, yes, 60 degree. And angle B equal to
80 degree.
80 degree, correct. Angle C equal to
120 degree.
120 degree. And we have to find angle D. We know that sum of angles of quadrilateral is yes, how much?
360 degree.
360 degree.
Okay, therefore angle D equal to, who will say? Abhinav, angle D equal to, how can we find angle D? Abhinav?
180 minus.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, 360 minus
Yes, 360 minus
60 plus
we have
80
to add
plus
all other
120.
correct 60 plus 80 plus, see this is plus some 120, 60 plus 80 plus 120, how much it is?
260.
Minus
260.
260.
Ma'am, 260.
260 degree, it is 260 degree. So 360 minus 260 is
100.
100.
Good, all of you, correct. So all of you mark angle D equal to 100. Mark it in your book. Mark that in your book, 100 degree, correct. Okay. Now Tia, can you hear me, Tia? Hello, Tia.
Hello.
Hi, Tia, can you hear me? Hello, Tia. Tia, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, Tia. Shivanya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Shivanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivanya, we got all the 4 angles of this quadrilateral ABCD. Okay.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
next? What next? What we have to do next?
Ma'am, we have to find the exterior angles.
Yes, the exterior angles X, Y, X. Which are the exterior angles given?
X, Y, Z,
Right?
W.
The exterior angles are X, Y, Z, and W. How can we find it?
Ma'am, by 360.
360 minus the
Look at your book.
360 minus the angle.
How can we find?
Linear pair.
Linear pair is 360.
Ma'am, sum of quadrilateral.
I'm asking Shivanya.
Ma'am, 180 minus.
Yes. To get the exterior angles, sum of exterior linear pair or sum of interior and exterior angles are 180, not 360. Okay, linear pair is 360. Okay, so we are going to find X, Y, Z, and W. First, we will find X. Angle X equal to 1 second. Angle X equal to
120.
Angle X. Dear children, those who are not in this class, don't enter now. You please enter on your time only. Don't enter now. Angle X equal to how?
180 minus 120.
80 minus
120.
correct. Angle X equal to 180 minus 120. It is equal to how
60.
much it is?
60 degree.
Angle Y, right? reason here. Linear pair. Linear pair. Angle Y.
Linear pair.
Even angle Y. How can we find angle Y? Jeevan.
Yes, ma'am.
How can we find angle Y?
180 minus
Yes,
8.
yes. 180 minus. 180 minus. Jeevan.
80 minus 8.
180 minus
100.
80. So it is 100. Now
100.
angle Z equal to.
Minus 6.
Z equal to. Ashmit. Angle Z equal to.
180 minus
180 minus
80.
80
180
80.
minus 80
is equal to 100.
100.
it is equal to 100.
100.
Okay, okay, dear students, we have to find W also. Okay, so I have one more period we have, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that you find W. Okay.
Ma'am, I found.
Okay, no, okay, good, You find W and add X plus Y plus Z. Next period, I will ask you the answer. All should do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Time is up. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.